This video we're going to have an introduction to parallel and perpendicular lines. In the boxes above it tells us that parallel lines have the same slope, an exception is a vertical line, and two lines are perpendicular if the product of their slope is -1. So m1 times m2 is equal to -1. In 1 it says the slope of a line is given. Determine the slope of the line parallel to a line with the given slope. So in A, we have m is equal to 5. So the slope to our parallel line is also m is equal to 5. And in B, we have m is equal to -1 and 1/6. So the slope of our parallel line is m is equal to -1 and 1/6, which is also equal to -7/6. In 2, it says the slope of a line is given. Determine the slope of a line perpendicular to a line with the given slope. In A, we have m is equal to 5, so we know that 5 times the slope of our perpendicular line, which we'll subscript with the upside down t, is equal to -1. And now if we divide both sides by 5, we have the slope of the perpendicular line is equal to -1/5. And in B, we have m is equal to -1 and 1/6, which we can also write as -7/6. So the slope of our perpendicular line is going to be -7/6 times the slope of our perpendicular line is equal to -1. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by -6/7. So I get m of the perpendicular line is equal to +6/7. In 3, it says, given a line with the slope of 0, A, what type of line has a slope of 0? And that's a horizontal line. In B, it asks, what type of line is perpendicular to the line from part A? And perpendicular to a horizontal line is a vertical line. In C, it asked, what is the slope of a line from part B? And the slope of the line in part B, or from a vertical line, is undefined. In D, it asked, what is the slope of a line perpendicular to a vertical line? If we're perpendicular to a vertical line, we have a horizontal line and the slope is 0. And in E, it asks, what is the slope of a line parallel to a horizontal line? And if we're parallel to a horizontal line, that means we have another horizontal line and the slope would be 0. And that's all for this video on the introduction to parallel and perpendicular lines.